Sacred sounds. Thunder is rolling in. Monsoon time. Had a good rain yesterday. A lot of thunder and lightning. Very active. These are energetics to see ascension. They talk about many cycles. Cycles of life, but the cosmic cycles. Photon belts. Complete circles about 26,000 years. And scientifically, this modern human species is about 10 times that in age. Something to think about, the 10, the completion from an energetic. But sound is healing. They reset into a finite pattern and recycle everybody through the matrix. Yeah, that's what they do to the soul. Let the sound sink to your soul. Remember the thunder, the sounds of creation. Just feel it. It's beautiful. Time of change, a beautiful change for all. Kunaki.